Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva Auto Caption Generator. So I have in here this particular video that actually says to subscribe and to welcome you into our channel. So I want to have in here some subtitle. In order to do that, I need to head over and to make sure that I have clicked on that particular part of the video. Now from there, what we can do is we can head over and open in here our elements. So we have in here elements, make sure that this is still open, then scroll down right around here until you can see this right here. Click on this apps, and then from there just make sure to click on the one that says transcribe. So let's head over and then search in here transcribe audio. You can head over and then use that, and then from there you can see this. So what you can do is you can click on this transcribe audio right here, click on open right around here, and then as you can see this will show us to a new page. So you can select or upload your audio file right around here. You can select your font and a lot more. So let's head over and choose in here a file. Now once you have added that, you should be able to add right here the slide or the caption that you want for this case. So that's how you use Canva out of caption generator. Hope you help.